Hello friend. In previous lecture, we see dihedral group of D3. Here D3 is equal to S3. D3 means symmetries of an equilateral triangle. Symmetries of an equilateral triangle. Now we are going to study D4. D4 dihedral group. Dihedral, and this is group of symmetries of a square. Group of symmetries of square. The notation rho I denotes rotations mu I denotes mirror images in perpendicular bisector. And delta I denotes diagonal flips. Denote the diagonal flips. That means reflection. This also like reflection. Here, if you take square, one, two, three, vertex is denoted by these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for rotations, rho 0, that means 0 degree rotation. If you take 0 degree rotation means no rotation. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then no rotations means 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3 as it is. This is identity permutation. This is an identity permutation. Now row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, rotation through an angle 90 degree. Rotation through an angle 90 degree. Then 1 by rotate, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 1. That means 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 1 like this. Row 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take rotation to an angle 180 degree. 180 degree. Then 1 goes to 3. 2 goes to 4. 3 goes to 1. And 4 goes to 2. That means image of row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then take 270-degree rotation. That means 1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 1, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 2, and 4 goes to 3. Now take mu1. These are mirror images. First take vertical. Here 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. Mirror images. 4 and 3 replace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 4, and 4 goes to 1. Mu2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Horizontal bisector. That means 1 goes to 4, 1 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 2. Now delta 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here delta 1. Here diagonally. That means only change 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1. 2 goes to 2 and 4 goes to 4 as it is. That means 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, here 2, 4. Delta 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. By this diagonal. Here 1 goes to 1, 3 goes to 3 as it is. Only change 2 and 4. Only change 2 and 4. Here 3, 1. These are 8 elements. 8 elements. This is also called octic group. This is also called octic group. D4 is also called octic group. Now multiplication table for this group. Here okay. Here row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, mu1, mu2, delta 1, delta 2. Right here row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, mu1, mu2, delta 1 and delta 2. Row 0 is an identity element. Row 0 is an identity element. So row 0 into row 0, row 0, row 0 and row 1, row 2, row 3, mu1, mu2, delta 1, delta 2. Now row 1 into row 0. Here row 1 into row 1. Here row 1 into row 1. If you take row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4, 1. Again row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. Product of the 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, from right to left. 1 goes to 2, here 2 goes to 3. Here 2 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 4, right, 4 here. Now take 3. Image of 3 is 4 and here image of 4 is 1. That means 1. Now here 4, image of 4 is 1, here 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. That means row 2. Row 2. Row 2. This is row 3. And this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 0. Row 0. Now, next, see here, row 1 into mu 1. Row 1. Row 1 into mu 1. Row 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here row 1 is 2, 3, 4, 1. Mu 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mu 1 is this, 2, 1, 4, 1. Sorry. This is mu 1. Mu 1 is mirror. That means here 4. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay. And here product here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 1 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 3. Here 2 goes to 1. Here 1 goes to 2. Here see here 3 goes to 4. Here 4 goes to 1. Now here 4 goes to 3. Here 3 goes to 4. See which element is coming. 3, 2, 1, 4. This delta 1. 3, 2, 1, 4. This is delta 1. Okay. Then this is delta 2. Now see here. Delta 2. Now row 1 into delta 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Delta 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta 1 is this. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see here. Here 1 goes to 3. Here 3 goes to 4. 2 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 3. 3 goes to 1. 1 goes to 2. And here plus 4 goes to 4. Here 4 goes to 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is mu 2. This is mu 2. Now all entries only remaining mu 1 in this row. Only remaining. Column wise or one entry at one time. Okay. Now row 2. Row 2 into row 0. Here row 3. Row 2 into row 1 is row 3. Row 2. Because this is rotation. Here row 2 is a 180 degree rotation. Row 1 is 90 degree rotation. 180 degree and then 90 degree. That means 270 degree. In 270 degree means row 3. This is row 3. Then this is row 0 and row 1. Okay. Now here row 2 into mu 1. Row 2 into mu1, rho 2 into mu1. Rho 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Rho 2 is 3, 4, 1, 2. Mu1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mu1. Mu1 is 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4. 2 goes to 1, here 1 goes to 3. 3 goes to 4, here 4 goes to 2 and 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Where? 4, 3, 2, 1. This is mu2. This is mu2. Then this is mu1. Now here in this delta 1 here, so here delta 2 and delta 1. Okay. Now here rho 3 into rho 0, rho 3, rho 0, rho 1, rho 2. Here delta 2, delta 1, delta 1, mu2, here mu1, here mu2. Next, mu1 into rho 0, mu1, here mu2, delta 1, delta 2. Identity. So, now mu1 into rho 1, see here, mu1 into rho 1, mu1 into rho 1. mu1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta 1 is 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3. Here 4 goes to 1, here 1 goes to 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. This delta 2. This is delta 2. Okay, delta. Now mu1 into rho 2. Mu1 into rho 2. Rho 2 here, mu1 into rho 2. See here, mu1. Rho 2 is 3, 4, 1, 2. And see here, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4. 2 goes to 4, here 4 goes to 3. Here 3 goes to 1, here 1 goes to 2. Here, 4 goes to 2, here 2 goes to 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Where second row like this? 4, 3, 2, 1. This is mu2. This is mu2. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mu2. Then rho 1 into rho 2 is, sorry, mu1 into rho 3 is delta 1. Now, mu1 into mu1, reflection, that mirror image, again mirror image, this gives rho 0. Rho 0. Mu1 into mu2, here mu1 into mu2, here mu2. This is mu1, 2, 1, 4, 3. Mu2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. This gives 1 goes to 4. 1 goes to 4. Here 4 goes to 3. 2 goes to 3. Here 3 goes to 4. Here 3 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 1. And 4 goes to 1. Here 1 goes to 2. That means 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. Row 2. This is row 2. Now, mu1 into delta 1. Mu1 into delta 1. Mu1. This delta 1. 3, 2, 1, 4. This gives 1 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 4. 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. Here 3 goes to 1. Here 1 goes to 2. Now 4 goes to 4. Here 4 goes to 3. This is 4, 1, 2, 3. Where 4, 1, 2, 3? 4, 1, 2, 3. Here row 3. This is row 1. Delta mu2 into row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mu2 is 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. 1 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 3. 2 goes to 3. 3 goes to 2. Here 3 goes to 4. 4 goes to 1. And 4 goes to 1. 1 goes to 4. See. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. Delta 1. Here delta 1. Okay. Here mu1. Here delta 2. Now mu2 into mu2 and me2. Here row 0. Delta 1 row 0 like this. Row 0. Delta 2 into delta 2 row 0. Here mu2 into mu1. Mu2 into mu1. This is mu2. Mu1. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. See here. Here 1 goes to 2. 1 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 3. 2 goes to 1. 1 goes to 4. Then 3 goes to 4. 4 goes to 1. Then last 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. This is row 2. This is row 2. Now here row 2 is row 0, row 3, row 1. Now here row 2. Sorry. Row 3. Row 3. Okay. Here delta 1 into row 1. Here delta 1 into row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta 1 is 3, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row 1 is 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 1. Here 3 goes to 4, here 4 goes to 4 and 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. That means mu 1. This is mu 1. Now, here delta 1 into rho 2. Delta 1 into rho 2. Rho 2 is 3, 4, 1, 2. Here 1 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 1. 2 goes to 4, 4 goes to 4. 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. Delta 2. Here delta 2. Delta 1, mu 1, delta 2. So here delta 1, delta mu 2. Mu 2. Okay. Now here rho 0, rho 1. Okay. Rho delta 1 into mu 1. Delta 1 into mu 1. 2, 1, 4. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay. 1 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 2. Here 2 goes to 1. Here 1 goes to 3. Here 3 goes to 4. 4 goes to 4. And here last 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Row 1. Here row 1. Okay. Row 1. Then here row 1. Now delta 1 into mu 2. Delta 1 into mu 2. Delta 1 into mu 2. Okay. Mu 2 is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 goes to 4, 4 goes to 4. Here 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2. And here 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2. Here row 3. Row 1, row 3, row 0, here row 2. And yes, here in this delta 2, delta 1, here mu 2. Mu 2, mu 1, delta 2, delta 1. Here mu 1. Here row 0, row 2, row 1. Which remaining? Row 0, row 2, row 3. Here row 1. Here row 1, row 3, row 1, row 2. Row 3, row 1, row 2. This is complete multiplication table for D4 symmetries of square. Symmetries of square. Now see here, if it subgroups of D4, subgroups of D4. This subgroup generated by row 0 is containing only identity element. Now subgroup generated by row 1, here first element is row 1. Row 1 into row 1, that means row 1 square. Row 1 square is row 1 into row 2. Then row 1 Q, row 3, and row 4, row 1 raised to 4, row 0. Now, if you take subgroup generated by row 2 and row 2 into row 2 square, that means row 0. If identity element, then stop. Identity is coming, then stop. Now, this is again row 1, row 2, row 3, row Y, CR. If A is a generator, then A inverse is also generator. Here, row 1 inverse is equal to row 3. Row 1 inverse is equal to, if A is a generator, then A inverse also generator of the group. Here, this subgroup generator is row 1, inverse of row 1 is row 3. So, row 3 also generate same subgroup. Now, mu1 generated by, subgroup generated by mu1. This is first, write down mu1. mu1 square is CR. mu1 into mu1, row 0. Let me identity stop here. Now, subgroup generated by mu2, write down mu2. Now, mu2 into mu2, mu2 into mu2, row 0. Stop here. Now, subgroup generated by delta 1, okay? Delta 1 into delta 1 is row 0. Only 2 elements. Delta 2 and delta 2 into delta 2, again row 0. Okay. Now, any other here, another subgroup. Row 0, row mu1, mu2. Here, inverse of each element is itself. Row 2 square is row 0. mu1 square is row 0. mu2 square is row 0. And here, product of row 2 into mu1. Here, product of row 2 into mu1 is mu2. That means third element. Product of mu1 into mu2. mu1 into mu2. This is row 2. And row 2 into mu2. Row 2 into mu2 is row. That means this is client 4 group. Isomorphic to client 4 group. This is a group. Now, another type here, row 0, row 2, delta 1, delta 2. This is also subgroup. Same condition. This is also client 4 group. Here, product of row 2 into delta 1. Row 2 into delta 1 is delta 2. Row 2 into delta 2 is delta 1. And delta 1 into delta 2, here, row 2. Delta. That means, and inverse of each element is itself. In 3 elements, product of 2 is third. In these 3 elements, okay? In 3 elements, product of, this is also client 4 group. These are subgroups of D4, all subgroups. 1, 2nd, 3rd, this is repeat, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8, 9. These are 9 proper subgroups and D4 itself. D4 itself. Now, sub diagram. Here, sub diagram for D4. For D4. Here minimal element is row 0. This is row 0 mu 1, row 0 mu 2. Here row 0 row 2. Here row 0 delta 1 and row 0 delta 2. Now see here row 0 row 2 mu 1 mu 2. This row 0, this subgroup. Here row 0 row 1 row 2 row 3. Okay. This is row 0 then row 2 delta 1 delta 2. Here this is subgroup of this. Again this is also subgroup, this is also subgroup, it means subset. Here this is subgroup of this. Row 0 delta 1 is a subgroup of this. Row 0 delta 2 is also subgroup of this. And here D4 like this. This is subgroup diagram for D4. Subgroup diagram for D4. Okay? We'll stop here. Thank you.